Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make you up some fried bammie. The bammie that I have here are bammie that are made from scratch. So I'm going to let you guys see how I do this. Eat it up with some okra and saltfish. So if you want to see how me fry up my bammie in my kitchen, you have to come on and ride with me. Let's go. This is the size that the bammie need to be cut in. Right, I'm going to use this to be having that look like. Puff milk. Now, if you don't want to go milk, you can go ahead and use water. Some people even use coconut milk to soak their bammie. So, you go ahead and you put your milk or your coconut water or your coconut milk into the container. And I'm going to let this sit for about 45 minutes. I'm going to cover it up and I'm going to come back in the next like 45 minutes. Well, okay guys, we're going to move on to the next step, which is the bammie has been soaking for about, I would say about 45 to 50 minutes, and it is ready for frying. So what you're going to do, you're going to make sure you get a nice clean paper towel or a nice clean towel, okay? Because you're going to need that to dry off the liquid from the bammie. You do not want to fry this thing with all that milk or water or coconut juice where you're going to use to soak the bammie and go into the pot and it's going to splash. These are homemade bammie that I made from scratch. So that is the next step. Let's go ahead and fry. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and fry out this bammie for you guys. Make sure that your oil is hot. You want to make sure that your oil is hot. Don't make it overly hot enough. I have my fire on medium, a little bit over medium, but don't put it to high because you don't want the bammie to fry too fast. You want it to take your time and fry with a nice golden brown color. So here we go. Go ahead and put my bammie in. And once again guys, my fire is on medium high. And I'm going to let that take its time and fry right through and through. And again guys, I am frying bammie that is homemade by me. So I'm going to let that fry for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Turn it to the other side for another 5 minutes. I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so that is the color that it should have. When you turn it to the other side, this is the color that you need. A nice golden brown. You don't want to burn this thing, okay? Do not burn it. And again guys, there's nothing like homemade bammie made from scratch. But if you can't do it homemade and you just don't want to go ahead and put in all that cassava out to dry and all that stuff, you go ahead and you buy it at your local supermarket. Alright? So that's basically it. I'm going to take these out and I'm going to go ahead and fry another batch. And when I get done, I'm going to eat up this with maybe some okra and saltfish. So I'm going to put it on a plate and make you guys see what it looks like on a plate. Okay? But that's how you do fry bammie. See you back. So there you have it guys, the bammie is all done. This is what I'm going to do to make it even more enticing for when the greedies them come over, them not have no choice and can't resist this bammie. Okay, so that's what we're going to do to make this even more enticing and get that vinegar gravy all over the bammie. It's going to soak in there. What I usually do guys, I'm let this sit for a little while before I start eating or anything. I just let that sit and make it soak in that good tasting vinegar. And yes, we all gonna eat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see me cooking in my kitchen always next. From my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.